Question 6, Part A. Use the following clues to find the missing number. This is a 3-mark question and I have to find the missing number. It's given me 4 clues, so I'm going to work through the clues one by one to find my missing number. So the first one says the number is between 1 and 20. So I'm going to write out my numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Ran out of space there, sorry. So the number is between 1 and 20. So those are my options there. Okay, done. It's not an even number. So if it's not an even number, I'm going to cross out all my even numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So the even numbers are all the numbers in the 2 times table. 18, 20. Okay, done. It is a multiple of 3. So a multiple sounds like multiply, and when we multiply we use our times tables. So multiple is any number in the 3 times table. 3, so that means 1 isn't in it. 3, 6, can't be 5. 3, 6, can't be 7. 3, 6, 9, 9 is an option. 3, 6, 9, 12. 11 is not in the 3 times table. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. 13 isn't in the 3 times table. 15 is. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. 17 is not in the 3 times table. And 19 is not in the 3 times table. Okay, so if you have done this so far and you've met 3 clues and got options for those 3 clues, then you get 2 marks. If you couldn't go any further, you get 1 mark for meeting any 2 clues. Okay, obviously we're going for the full 3 now. So the final clue is it's a square number. So a square number is when you times a number by itself. The answer or the product is the square number. So we've got 1 times 1. So 1 is a square number. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 is a square number. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 is a square number, and so on. So we've got 1 is a square number, not an option anymore. Is 3 a square number? No. Is 9 a square number? Yep, it is. We've just got to that. And we have left 15. Let's see if 15 is a square number. 4 times 4 is 16. So 16 is a square number. So 15 is not a square number. So the only option I have left is 9. So that will give me the full 3 marks because I've met every clue and found the missing number. Part B. Using all the numbers 0, 1, 3 and 5, fill in the blanks. This will give me 1 mark. I have to have it perfectly correct for that 1 mark. So in these boxes I need to fill in with these numbers. Something take away something is 25. So this one's quite easy. We've got a 0 and a 5 there, so I could do 35, 3 and 5. Take away 10, 1 and 0 equals 25. And that will give me 1 mark. This one here is a little bit more difficult. So again, we have the same 4 numbers, but we have something times by something gives me 650. Now I know this ends in a 0 here, so I know that one of these must end in a 0. Okay. put that here. I'm going to say 10 times 35, let's say. Well, that is 350. That's not going to work. Let's try the other one. 10 times 53, swap those around. That'll give me 530. Neither of those numbers are big enough yet, so 10 is not big enough to times by. So let's try 50 instead. 50 times what? So I've used the 5 and I've used the 0. I've got the 1 and the 3 left. So 50 times 13 equals what? Well, 50 times 10 would be 500. 50 times 3 would be 50, 100, 150. If I add those together, that gives me 650. And that would be right. So I've got 50 times by 13. So I've used the 5, the 0, the 1 and the 3. And that'll give me 1 mark.